Hey my YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. And if it's your first time on my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right down below and join the family. And if you're already subscribed, welcome back. Today we're making rum cake. Quick, easy, simple way to make your rum cake, guys. I'm going to show you the ingredients in a minute, so don't go anywhere, stay tuned, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So guys, the ingredients you're gonna need is 1 cup of vegetable oil. You're gonna need 6 large eggs, 2 cake mix of your choice, and you're gonna need a pack of vanilla jello pudding. This smells so good and it's gonna add a lot of moisture to your cake as well. You're gonna need rum, whether white rum or dark rum, whichever rum you like to use when you're baking. And you're gonna need this fluted tube pan. And for those who like nuts, you can go ahead and put your walnuts or your pecan nuts. I won't be using any nuts today. However, I'll be using some powdered sugar to sprinkle on the top of my rum cake. At this point, guys, you want to go ahead and preheat your oven at 325 degrees. So guys, as you can see, I'm using my whisk, but however, you can put all your ingredients in your mixer or use your hand mixer as well. Whatever you want to use to incorporate your ingredients, just make sure that everything is mixed properly. So as soon as your batter has reached your desired consistency, you want to stop mixing because you don't want to overmix your ingredients. After spraying your pan, this would be the point where you add your nuts to the bottom of the pan before you pour your batter in, but as I told you guys before, I won't be using any. Here it is, guys. I'm just gonna pop it in the oven. There you have it, guys. It's all done, and I'm just gonna put it down to cool a little while I make my rum sauce. So for your rum sauce, you want to make sure that your stove is on low to medium heat. You're gonna need 1 stick of butter, 1/2 cup of sugar, and you're gonna need your rum, your desired amount of rum. I can't tell you how much you want to put in your cake, and if you want it to be a bit stronger, then you will make this simmer for 5 minutes and then take it off and add your rum. Or if you don't want it to be that strong, you can add your rum while your sauce is cooking so that most of the alcohol can get to evaporate. Now that your sauce is ready, you can go ahead and use a skewer or a toothpick to pierce some hole in your cake, and then you can gently add your rum sauce. So now that you have added all your rum sauce, you want to place a plate on your cake and flip it, and you can just go ahead and leave it to soak overnight so that it can soak up all the rum. But I didn't. I went ahead and cut mine as soon as it was cool enough. Yeah. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you try this recipe, and I love you guys. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Please turn on your notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload a new video, and please give me a thumbs up. Bye guys.